If we can do it drunk, you can do it sober.
Oh, look at this. Can he do it? Oh. Oh. You're in the shit now. Oh. Christ. He just might be stuck. Turn your wheel toward me when you come this way. Yeah. When you're rocking it back and forth, you're hitting the berm instead of coming toward me. There we go. Whoa, whoa, wait a minute, wait a minute. Oh, wait a minute, hold on. Your belt's off. Oh, shit. You broke a pulley.
Did I really?
Yep. Yeah, there's blood. Water pump.
Power steering.
Yeah.
That's why I'm having a hard time turning it. Wow.
Ooh. Oh, and that runs your alternator.
My belt's gone.
Yeah, it's right there.
Right there. Yeah, I see it.
Uh-oh.
Alright, where's that pulley going? Let's see what goes in. Pop this up. Wow.
Uh-oh.
Well, let's winch it out of here.
Yeah.
That's the smartest thing. Turn this off. Shaft broke.
It broke.
Yeah.
So you can't get it back. You can't put it back on.
No.
Hmm.
Yeah. I got it on.
Yeah.
It's in there.
Will it stay? You know, with the belt tension on it?
Right. Maybe.
Alright, here we go. Stuck in the mud. Broken power steering pump. She's pulling it. She will winch it out of there. There she goes. All right. Yeah, take up your winch. You got to take up your winch. Uh-oh. Oh, in the remote. Okay. All right. All right. Once again. Nice and easy. Keep going. Nothing. Well, them batteries didn't work very good now, did they? That's okay, you're already out of it. Shut it down. Shut it down. Let's you're good. Oh, now it's running. I was driving, so I'd rather drive than winch, you know? Yeah. Yeah, let's unhook it. All right. How's it look?
Oh, it's fucking awesome, dude. She's staying together.
Yeah, she's staying together. All right. Smile for the camera. Oh, look, Happy Town Road. Famous mud hole.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, look at her. Oh. See, now her eyebrow thing, it looks more humbling than angry. She did all right.
Yeah. Oh, she's got a few scratches.
Yeah, look,
Her
we have to wind that cable up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, we gotta do it while we're running.
Yeah. Yeah, right now.
Right now, yeah.
Unhook it.
Gotta get your hair dirty last time.
You know, I hate that. Look at my fucking shoes.
Oh, yeah.
Jesus.
Oh,
That's your fault, too.
okay. I can take it.
You got pretty broad shoulders. You got the remote?
No.
No.
You want to grab it?
All right. Hold on. Oh, wait. Oh, yeah, we had to take a lot out. Look at that. Oh! Barehanded. That's why you don't use cable.
That's right. Barehanded.
Just barehanded.
That's
you
right.
know what I mean?
That's right.
Yeah. I don't know. She sounds okay.
Yes, she does.
She's not
looks
upset.
fine.
Like I said, though, she don't look
Nope,
angry.
she looks damn good.
She looks humbled.
Yeah, she's damn good. She's
Oh.
right. There's the new auto adjusters.
She went the door.
Yeah, she did.
And she's like, I want new pieces because of it. I get it.
Right.
I
Okay,
get it.
so I need a
All
little
right.
molding
Yeah. Yeah. I
in
get
the
it.
form of fucking shock mount.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I'll fix that. I'll reinforce that. I'll reinforce that right in the frame.
Yeah.
Throw a fucking piece of steel right on there, weld it right in.
Well.
And then throw on a longer bolt, maybe a 3/8.
Yeah.
So it can't make it up.
Yeah.
1 minute.
When? Next minute. All right.
Repair number 3.
Yeah. We're doing pretty well. We're making good time.
What time is it?
Yeah, I don't think it matters. It's not dark.
It wouldn't matter then either. We got lights.
Oh, yeah. Oh, this trail is brutal. It really is.
Yeah, it is.
It really is. I mean, we've been on it a couple of times and made it look simple, but I mean, this exposes the real reality. It's tough, and it's tough to video it from the passenger seat to make it really look.
See what's going on.
Well, it
yeah.
just doesn't look that gnarly. You're going through it and you're like, yeah, and it's like you don't quite understand the scope of it. I mean, this is ugly. You wouldn't drive on this. Nobody would. Nobody has. This is why there's trees in the way, and the grass is all tall, and nobody's pushed it over because, fuck.
I'll tell you too, they're awful appreciative.
Not a 10.
No.
No.
At 10, they're a 2.
At 10.
I slept through it.
Yeah, you don't even wake them.
Run.
I don't know how this has bearing on anything.
No. Well, it's a 10 millimeter 11 millimeter.
I could believe that.
I haven't been able to make up my mind.
11 if it's money.
Oh, I bet if I don't put the drive side on it, will work better. That square is square. quarter square drive going up against 10 millimeter. Sexy. Oh, snap.
Oh, oh snap. If I was dying and you were a surgeon, well.
You'd be dead a while.
Yeah. Do you get around to fixing me?
Yes.
Oh. But at least you have the confidence.
And the honesty.
Yeah.
Say you're fucked.
Right.
Oops. Again.
Well, you're a doctor, so that
TV.
means golf comes
I wonder
before
if we could
medicine.
turn that over enough so I could fucking tighten it down or loosen it up.
What do you want me to do?
Oh, I'll do it. Just gotta wrench that wheel around.
Turn the wheel
Turn the wheel half turn.
toward me. Like that? It's hooked to something.
And if you can, lock the wheel. Okay, nope, go the other way.
This way.
Yeah, keep going. Keep going.
Yeah.
I know she's tough.
She don't want to lock though.
You don't want to?
No.
Okay, if you could hold it right there,
Okay.
I could probably tighten it.
All right. Try.
Hey.
Hey.
Hey. Hey. Come on. I gotta put hair around my fucking. Hold it right there.
All right. Hey.
I gotta do something different. Put an extension on this thing. Let go for a moment. 10 millimeter. 10 millimeter.
Here we go. It's hard to believe, but we're off. After breakdown number 3. How's your steering? You got steering back?
Oh yeah.
Steering's
She's
good.
and solid now.
Steering's good. Brakes?
Oh
Brakes
yeah.
are- brakes are
Brakes
good.
are good.
Brakes are good. We
Let's
like
see if
brakes.
the go-go works.
Oh, look.
Oh look, the go-go works.
Oh, we're rolling. I'm a cruise passenger with, waiting for the shuffleboard tournament to start.
Yeah, seems how he closed down the bar.
Hey. No problem. I'm old. Prescription pills.
Very good attitude.
All right. All right. I'm going to shut it down now
Yeah.
until the next thing happens.
Yeah, I don't blame you.
If we can do it drunk, you can do it sober.